Hello, this is the Mccoy Reacts, and I hope everybody's having a decent evening out there in the interweb world. It's Friday night, the weekend's getting ready to begin, or already has begun for most of you out there. I hope everybody's a safe weekend and spend time with family and friends. But today we got us a new song from Struggle Jennings and Brianna Harness. Have you seen the rain? So there's where the screensaver comes from before we get started. I'd like to give a few shout outs. Cannot wait to check this. It's got a video as well. Shout out to Struggle Jennings and Brianna Harness for creating us some music to check out, of course. And then shout out to Diego Robertson, That Guy Cliff, R.I.D. Redneck Randy, Ben Weston, Dwight Embrook, Brian Abercrombie, Mama Spider, Pug Mama, Southern Owl, Lady Shar Reacts, and Burdens fan Jen. All right, family, cannot wait to check this one out. Let's get out of here and let's get over to the channel. Let's go. Let's go. We made it after fighting with YouTube a little bit. Finally got it adjusted and got it over here. We're at Struggle Jennings YouTube channel. That's where you want to go find this original. They're the artists. They're the ones that deserve the spins. And Struggle Jennings catalog is amazing. If you're not subscribed, go subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And that's where this original is to be found. And Brianna Harness also has her own YouTube channel. Go subscribe to her as well. But that's where this original is to be found. But today we have You Ever Seen the Rain? Struggle Jennings and Brianna Harness, father-daughter duet. You know, this really gets to me, man. Before we even get started, I love this stuff. Meaningful before we get started. Let's go. I love the guitar. I forgot to say, like we always say before we get started, smoke them if you got them. My avatar's got them. Smoke them, eat them, drink them, whatever it takes to get your spirit and soul in that right state of mind to absorb some music. And let's go.
Someone told me long ago, woo, there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time.
This is a remake of I know the original. This is Fire on Top of Fire, man, and he's singing. We gotta go back all the way back so I can get adjusted and get prepared for this one more time. Let's go.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time.
When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water.
Woo! Man, I love her voice. It's electric. It's harmonic. It's soul touching, man. These two together is just very, very meaningful, soulful. I don't normally do this. Let's go catch that all one more time. Let's go.
Someone told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm, and I know it's been coming for some time.
When it's over, so they say, it'll rain a sunny day. I know, shining down like water.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
I mean, to me, this is almost spiritual hearing them sing together. She has such a beautiful, delicate, energetic, soulful sound, and he's got a unique, gritty, intimidating, heavy duty sound. And when you blend them two together, man, it's magical. On their own, they're very unique, but together that's special. And, be father and daughter. Let's go back and check that out again. Let's go.
Have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Perfect.
Yesterday and days before, sun is cold, rain is hard. I know it's been that way my whole life.
Man, I'm impressed with Struggle Jennings singing. I've heard a lot from him. Mostly it's been like, spitting and rap and hip hop stuff. But this right here reminds me of some throwback country, some throwback, old school country, man. It's really, really nice. I really like the voice. Fire, let's go.
Till forever on it goes, through the circle fast and slow, and I know it can't stop. I wonder, I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain?
Man, I love meaningful music. I love classics as well. Soulful music, and right there I caught it with both them in the screen. And that's what makes this one so meaningful, them doing it together. Wow. I'm going to stop right here and say go to Struggle Jennings YouTube channel. That's where you want to go find the original. He's the artist. He's the one that deserves the spins. Go to Brianna Harness's YouTube channel as well. Subscribe to her as well. Extremely talented artist. Amazing catalogs in both spots. Go check them out. Like I said, they're the artists. They're the ones that deserve the spins. If you're not subscribed, go check them out and subscribe. Amazing. Let's go.
I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Yeah, I got to go back and hear all that again. Them two together is amazing. Before I'll start this one, I'm going to say this is the Mccoy Reacts YouTube channel. This is my point of view verbal style reactions. I do this because I have a skin infection, a non-curable skin infection. Being on camera, all that heat, all that sweating causes me infections. So I created this format because I love music. Music's therapy to my soul. I just enjoy sharing it and checking it out. There's nothing for sale here other than go check out these artists. But if you like what you're hearing and seeing, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, thumbs up the music, leave any kind of communication or requests. We get back as fast as we can. And we also have an Instagram account called the exact same thing, The Real Mccoy Reacts. Amazing stuff. Let's go. Let's go hear them together again one more time. Let's go.
No, have you ever seen the rain? I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain coming down on a sunny day?
Beautiful instrumental as well. This song's got it all. An amazing video. The pictures of them together and how they've done this is amazing. So killer visuals, perfect for the song. And now we got us an instrumental, a little guitar playing. We got to hear that one more time again. Let's go. version of the song I've ever heard. I'm going to stop right here and say, this is the Real McCoy Reacts. I'm the Real McCoy songs for sure. The Real McCoy 10 thumbs up. Go to that YouTube channel right there. Play, spin, repeat. Don't forget that process. Go check this out. Awesome soulful music. Killer song. Amazing duet together. Fire. Go check out Struggle Jennings Brianna Harness. Have you ever seen the rain? And I hope everybody has a wonderful weekend in case I don't get back on. Wow. Go check them out and have a great evening.
Coming down on a sunny day. Coming down on a sunny day.
Ooh, their voices together is amazing.
Coming